As dawn arises, the chickens step out of their coops to socialise, play, or just laze around, basking in the morning sunshine. These free-range chickens at Mount Barker, Western Australia, are surrounded by the natural environment and are encouraged to conduct their natural behaviours, enhancing their health and well-being, which is important in ensuring a higher quality product. Family-owned company Mount Barker Chicken has pioneered free-range chicken farming in WA and is setting the standard for all of Australia.
So the team are really focused here on getting the birds to come out more often and to range further. So the sheds are much narrower, they're only 6 metres wide, so a hop, skip and a jump and the birds can be outside. We're encouraging them to come out by introducing different types of shade and cover for the birds to give them the protection that they need, and generally trying to provide them with a natural environment for them to run around. This production system allows us to produce healthy, happy chickens, which means we don't have to use antibiotics at any time during the production process.